It's 5:30 a.m. We're in Glendale, Arizona. Beautiful morning for a ride. I just took a look at the forecast and it's going to be 102 today. But I won't be out there in that. I know how the desert works, and if you get out early enough, it's like this, 73 degrees, just glorious. And it'll be this way for a couple of hours, long enough for my ride. I've got my UV protection clothes on, a lot of SPF 50 sunscreen, and I'm ready to go. Let's go. I call this morning twilight, right before full sunrise, my favorite time of the day. I like to ride low and slow. I'm never in a hurry, except I'm in a hurry to get out the door and get my ride started. I just love doing this. Okay, hang on, we're gonna go north on 67th Avenue. Well, on the sidewalk next to 67th Avenue, which is perfectly legal here. As you can see, there's a bike lane there, but that's for people who are riding a little bit faster than me. I'm going really slow, like 4, 5, maybe at the most 6 miles an hour. And that's fast enough for me. I'm just watching the world go by. Average bicycle goes about twice as fast as me. They're trying to get somewhere. I'm just trying to get out of the house, and I'm there already. By the way, I'm bringing some coffee from home since McDonald's is under construction right now, and I don't know if I'll go back there and buy more coffee in the future or if I'll continue making my own coffee. I guess I'll figure it out when I get there. We're coming up on Peoria Avenue, which is the road to Peoria, which is actually quite literally right across the street from here. We're in Glendale right now. And since I'm not going over to McDonald's to get coffee, I'm going to stay in Glendale. And there's the McDonald's over there. I'm not sure exactly what they're doing. They've gone from, it was painted brown and they've painted it gray now. I'm sure they're doing a lot of stuff inside too. Now we're going past Christie. I've lived in this neighborhood for over 30 years, and I didn't know any of the names of the little streets in between the main streets, which is kind of typical for people who live in the Phoenix area. Now I'm learning them. The trike has opened up a whole new world for me. And there's Desert Cove. I like the name of that. Now we're going past the Peoria School District Maintenance Yard, which, oddly enough, is in Glendale. Now we're coming up on the half-mile street between Peoria Avenue and Cactus Road, which is called Cholla. Cholla is a type of cactus, by the way, in case anyone asks you, which I doubt they will. And now we're going past Sierra. Sunnyside. And Riviera. My first stop will be the parking lot of Dutch Brothers Coffee. I don't get coffee there, a little too rich for my blood, but I like to stop there, apply some sunscreen, drink some water, ponder this and that. I did try some of their coffee yesterday, and it's very good. And I'd like to support the local businesses, but I don't really have deep enough pockets for that. And besides, it looks like they get plenty of business anyway. Watch for traffic, stay to the right, and here we go.